This is a demonstration on how to peel a mango. Two ways. One is where you top and tail it and you go around the mango. So with a sharp knife, you go around the mango, taking off the skin. I learned to do this when I was in Malaysia, and the vendors that sold fruits on the street peeled both papayas and mangoes this way. The seed in the mango is flat, so cut it from top to bottom. So the sides are thinner, but the top and bottom cheeks are nice and wide, and you can cut them into smaller strips on the board. This is the second way of doing it. Again, starts with top and tailing, but when you peel the mango, long strokes from top to the bottom. If your knife is sharp, you can actually go, one large smooth slice. However, if not, you need to do the seesawing motion. Cutting the flesh off the mango seed is the same as the other one. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching.